Why did I think I could slide? My feet aren't socks. When I say bananas, you say peppers. And do you know what I miss? My box cutter. I had a very special box cutter. It was orange and black. Used to clip on my shirt. Where are you, oh box cutter? Cause we have a box to cut today and it's got a carrot on it. Ew, carrot with leg. Wait, what are these? What is this? Oh, it's eye patches. Yes, the lighting. Or is it just the glasses? I have had a deafening headache for 2 days now. So I was trying to give myself a little buffer from the super bright lights. That's why I chose these extremely disorienting orange glitter infused glasses. Here, see what I see. Ooh. Wait, I kind of like that. What if I just start filming my videos? Like with using sunglasses as a filter? That's kind of cool. I will be back, but next time with more scissors. Really, you have to appreciate how I've got a couch back here, yet I'm still sitting on the floor. Logic. None available. New and improved vlog. Now twice as sharp. Today we are going to be unboxing a K-Beauty mask box. We have unboxed this one time before, many months ago on this channel, and I enjoyed it. So hopefully you guys did as well. It is from a company called Boutique Monthly. Oh, we've got stuff. Oh, and I think I see pencils. Oh my gosh. Okay, I have heard of these things before. And I have always wanted to try them. Oh my god. Alas, my phone is ringing. They put together this larger box as like a PR thing. Inside, they include a couple of their subscription services. I think they have a smaller one and a larger one. Sometimes they also include extra little treats in here. And what I was gasping about is what they sent is a product I've always wanted to try. And I've honestly wanted to do it for a video, but I didn't know how I would show you guys like the progress. They are called Sprout pencils, but they are pencils that you can plant. Plant your pencils. So they have seeds in them. They don't say how long they take, but you write with the pencil, and then I guess like once you have written with it enough, you plant it. Anyway, oh my god, this one's basil, and it's got a quote from Orlando Bloom. I had no idea that Orlando Bloom was like a quotable person. You just pull out a pencil, there's like a quote from Marilyn Manson on it. It takes obstacles to learn, grow, be better. Wait, is there a Marilyn Manson edition? I want that one. They are all chia, sage, daisy, thyme, and basil. Oh my god, I could just make a vlog about pencils. I'm excited about pencils. Anyway, pencils. The other little extra thing that they sent is called a Cactus Candle, and I don't know what the heck that is, but let's find out. I'm assuming it's a candle made out of cactus, or a candle that looks like a cactus. What is it? It's a, ooh! It's a candle that looks like a cactus. They look like little succulents. They're like tea light succulents. Oh my god. Look, I could be on QVC. For just $5.99, call now, get some cactus candles, candle cactus. Let's start with the envelope first, and I hope we get like a really weird mask in here, because then I feel like it's kind of, we then did that video on this channel too, where I did like a little miniature first impression Friday over this weird bubble mask that we got, and I don't think I did it right, but I gave it a good old college try. So we have a sack of masks in here. Say that 5 times fast. I'm excited to see what they're gonna be. Hopefully this is not totally boring for you guys. Oh my god, this was June's box. I'm so behind. We have Cherry Blossom Firming and Brightening. That looks like a normal face mask. 6 minutes? I don't know. Real Nature Rose. Wait, the last one was Cherry Blossom. I was like, why is everything roses? Okay, that's like a normal one too. Real Mango Essence Mask. I feel like these are all like food things. Then we have Aloe Moisture Calming Mask. That sounds more my speed. You leave this one on for 15 to 10 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. This one is moisturizing and calming aloe mask to soothe sensitive skin. I used to have a giant aloe plant, but I think it's dead now. Rest in peace. I love cactuses, but plants left in my care, no good. Actually, do you know what it is? Nature. Nature killed my plants. I had a magnificent cactus and succulent garden, which those are normally like the perfect plants for Texas because it's hot, but they all died a couple of years ago when we had snow here, and I kept trying to like cover them all, but I think they died even through the cover. Why am I telling you this depressing plant story? Anyway, herb essence sheet mask. Oh, I love this brand, Esfolio. I've tried many of their products before and I really like them. It doesn't say the benefits, I guess. Soothe skin, enrich herb complex, and various nutritive components deliver abundant moisture and nourishment deep into your skin. Ooh, look, a snail essence mask. He's so cute. Would you guys let snails crawl on your face? I know that that's like a spa treatment that they do, but that is a little fear factor for me. I'm not sure that I'm quite ready to commit to that lifestyle. Ew, look, this is like your boyfriend brought you some plants. You rub them all over your face. That's the theme of this face mask. Botanical stem cell callus culture. Callus culture. Ugh. Ooh, okay, this is one I can freaking get behind. Herb Fit Sheet Mask. We might put this one on in this video as an experience for us all because look, it's like gold pattern. Makes me think of France. I don't know why, I've never been there. I don't know anything about it. Seems luxurious though. If you live in France, let me know. Are you just living the luxurious life every day? That's what I'd imagine if I lived in France. I would just be like, going to a museum, eating a macaroon, wearing a crown. I don't know. Ooh, carrot. Carrot clear skin mask sheets. Oh my gosh, this is by the brand It's Skin. I like them too. I don't know what they're trying to show us on the back. A sponge of some sort. Hopefully it's in focus too. I kind of can't see what I'm doing through all the glitter, so I'm just assuming everything is in focus. Okay, we need the knife again. Here we go. Gotta cut open the little seal. So I think that this is like the smaller subscription packet. You know what? I bet I could literally read and then you guys would know. So it says pick a plan. So there's like a beauty box. So I'm gonna assume that's what this is. And then I think what we just opened is Mask Maven. Also, I noticed they gave me a coupon code if you guys wanna sign up. This isn't like an affiliate link or anything. This literally just randomly comes to my PO box, but it's Bunny25. So if you guys want to subscribe, I feel like you could get 25% off. Okay, let's open this. Why did I do that? Let's open this box. Ooh, right on top there are rose water skin pads. Let's open, oh my gosh. Oh, sealed for my protection. I feel safe now. Oh my God, let's stop the vlog and smell the roses. Smells rosy. Ooh, this is actually like really nice. Oh, they're very wet. Imagine that. I'm gonna rub my arm with a wet pad and it's beneficial. Ooh, let's give Vlad a facial. Here you go, Dracula. Ooh, you look so nice now. Look at the rose water toner. Maybe you wouldn't be so grumpy if you toned with rose water more often, Dracula. In the box, we've got a sticker, and it's very cute because it says, aloe there, because he's an aloe plant. Oh my God, now I want to get another aloe plant because they're so gorgeous. I love cactus, succulents, aloe. What is this? What is this? Oh, this is very odd. This looks like a science experiment. Or maybe it's skincare, I don't know. These, yeah, here we have pods. Oh my gosh, this is so neat. So it's this whole container and you get these little, like this literally looks like something I swear I had in like 6th grade science class where they would make you like plant something like this in the dirt for 3 weeks and then be like, oh, what did you grow, Tommy? These are, I believe, Yeah, they are cleansing powder scrubs, but they're like measured out in the perfect amount that you need each time, which is so cool. I love products like this. I'm trying to remember, there was a brand that I used to buy from Sephora all the time, and oh my god, Tatcha was one of them. And then there was another one that bubbled and it was in purple packaging, but I feel kind of sad because I don't think they carry that brand anymore. Up next we have Sweet Love Cashmere Perfume, and it's a body lotion, and I'm gonna assume that it smells like roses. I feel like the theme is like roses and cactuses. It's very botanical this month, and by this month I mean approximately 3 months ago. There we go. Just have to get the old brain chugging again. Up next, we've got Natural Moisture Balm. And I don't know, it also has like lots of other words on here, like pure water in Sky Lake. I don't know where Sky Lake is, but I'm very glad to hear that they have pure water. So this looks like it's just gonna be a nice little lip balm. Oh, that's a chunky lip balm. It looks like, kind of like a smelling salt, and literally no one uses smelling salts anymore but me, but it's kind of like a little like, do you know what I mean? Oh, I feel revived now. It looks like it might have like a little bit of tinting to it. Or maybe it's just the glasses. Is this just the glasses? No, it does look like it might be a little tinted. Okay, next, ooh, it's squishy. Oh my gosh, is this a headband? What are you? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Okay, this is very festive. It is a cactus headband. Oh my god, I sprouted a cactus out of my head, which I don't know if that's a solution or a problem. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to let the stitches out. I swear I have such a large head. Like, is this a problem? Like, I cannot wear any headband without like literally taking it apart and putting it back together because, oh my god. Okay, thank god that string. All of a sudden saw all these weird things all over my hair and I was like, dear god, what are those things? Oh! Doesn't that just look like worms in my hair now? Get out of my hair. Last thing in here is a mask, and this looks very sophisticated. Is this broccoli? Broccoli and, okay, I almost said green eggs, and then I realized how stupid that sounded. It's limes. Broccoli, limes, some sort of leaves, avocado. I guess the theme here is like green food, but this is so neat. It looks like a two-step thing. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is like a cleanser, which you're supposed to apply all over your dry face. And then green juice bubbles form. What? Look, I'm supposed to look like this when it's all done. Pretty excited at the prospect of that. I don't know which one I want to do. I kind of want to do this one and I want to do this one. What do I want to do? I think we have green juice bubbles. We'll save our French experience for a later time. I'm so excited. I'm gonna put green juice all over my face. You know what? I wonder if I'm gonna have a gnarly reaction to this because usually I don't do well with like food stuff. Do you know what I'm saying? Like if it's like herbs, I'm good with that. Or surprisingly, if it's like chemicals, I'm good with that too. But when it's like carrots, tomatoes, pretty much a lot of the stuff, unfortunately, we unboxed today. Sometimes my skin is like, no, no, no. Food is for the mouth, not rubbing all over your face. I'm trying to open this. There we go. Ew! Soylent Green is made of people. Look at this. This is, you know what? Maybe if I actually just apply it to my face, you guys will be able to see. Oh, this is thick. Oh my god. Look at, oh my god. Oh, very exciting. So they show applying like here. Oh my god, it's also chunky, you guys. Oh, and it smells very strange. And there's not enough of it for my face. Oh my god, bubbles are forming. Bubbles, 911. Bubbles are forming. It actually smells really good. Now we're supposed to be opening this part, which I'm excited to see. Like, is this gonna make even more bubbles? Because then what? I put this on again for the thumbnail. Big mistake. Oh my god. Oh. Oh yeah, my face is like kind of feeling itchy, tingly. and I can't imagine that's good. I swear we did like a bubble sheet mask before. I know we've done like ye old bubble mask, but I felt like we did a sheet mask that also somehow erupted into bubbles, and that was just magical. Ew. That feels weird to put this over bubbles. I'll see you guys in, I think the instructions were 10 minutes for this one. All right. I think it's been about 20 minutes. Okay. I don't think any more. I can't tell if bubbles are forming on the outside or not. What's going on here? It's an optical illusion. But I feel like this stuff is getting into my eyes, which is no good. Goodbye. My God, it is getting in my eyes. A refreshing burn of vegetation. Wipe off the foam right now while we do the outro, because guess what? Camera battery's dying. I have forgotten to charge it like this whole week. Wow, this is like a really thick, creamy foam. Oh, well, you know what? I'm also rubbing my face, but my face does look a little red, doesn't it? That is kind of the one thing that I wish I could change about myself, because it literally drives me crazy. Literally, if I touch my skin at all, it turns super red. Like, so sometimes I feel like when I put a product on, my skin always looks red, which doesn't necessarily mean that I'm having a reaction. It just means I've touched my skin. Like right there where I've like itched my eyebrow, it's gonna be super red now. Sometimes it's driving me crazy when I film a video, because I'll like stop for a second to scratch my nose, and then like I'll go back to talking, and then my skin will be super red. It looks insane. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys had as much fun as I did. I hope y'all are having a great day. I saw in the comments the other day that a lot of you guys have been a little under the weather and feeling sick too. So if I'm talking to somebody out there going through something like that, I hope that you're feeling much better than you were the other day. We had some banana peppers who were even in the hospital and stuff. So I hope you guys are home now. I hope y'all are feeling better. I hope you are much recovered. Until I see you guys next time, don't forget, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. If you're not subscribed already and you would like to, hit the button down below, subscribe, and you too can become a member of the Banana Peppers squad today. Also, you can hit the notification bell if you would like to be notified every time I upload a new video to this channel. Thank you guys so much for being here, for watching, and for hanging out and spending some time with me today. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all again very, very soon.